Today in this video, I'm going to show you a quick tricks in Canva so you can create this type of professional photography for your product design. As you can see, these are the two photos that I've made with the Canva AI. You can also do that. It is very easy. So this is the real picture which I take with my phone. This is just an example product. You can do it with your own product, and then you can do this for your social media marketing with the clean professional photography. So to do that, just go to the Canva and just choose the design. I'm going to just choose this custom this size. You can choose your own size by your product. And after that, you just need to upload your photo, your product. I have already uploaded the product here, which is taken with my phone. And you just need to then resize it or crop it with the size. So that you just need to remove the background. So click on VG remover and just go to the edit option. Then here you'll find the option called VG generator, which will create you any type of professional background that you want for your product with the exact lighting and shadows. So you can click on inspire me option and it will tell you what kind of background that you want. If you don't like this, you can click on inspire again. And here's the background that I like: photorealistic, bright, pastel blue sky with fluffy clouds and a soft and dreamy background aesthetic. So I'm just going to click on generate. And after a couple of seconds, it will create the background for me. As you can see, this background looks very clear and very professional for your product. So if you're just doing a small business and you don't want to hire anyone, you can just use the Canva here to do your product photography. Then you just need to click on done, and then you can just download it. Click on download, and that's it. You can also write your own background. Like if I want a sci-fi style background, like a sci-fi lab with audio technology, and click on generate. As you can see, this will create me this, and you can choose what kind of background that you want. If you like this background, you can use it for your social media marketing. After downloading, you can add text anywhere, just like you use Canva, and then you can modify it with your own style that you want. So that's it, guys. It's a small tutorial that I want to show you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.